Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a subject near and dear to all of us, cars. Specifically, we're diving deep into the world of car myths. You know, those persistent pieces of wisdom that somehow keep getting passed down through generations, even though they're not entirely true. We're gonna break down 10 of the most common car myths out there, the ones you might still believe. Buckle up, let's get started. Let's kick things off with a big one: premium gas. Now, you've probably heard that using premium fuel will magically boost your car's performance, add years to your engine's life, and maybe even make your morning commute more enjoyable. But here's the reality. Unless your car's owner's manual specifically states that you need premium gas, using it is basically like throwing extra money away. Most modern engines are designed to run perfectly fine and efficiently on regular fuel. Picture this, it's a freezing winter morning and you're bundled up in your car, letting it idle for what seems like an eternity because, well, that's what you've always been told to do. But here's the thing, those days are long gone. Modern engines, especially those with fuel injection, warm up much faster when you actually start driving. Idling your car for an extended period in the cold is not only unnecessary, but also wastes fuel and can contribute to engine buildup. The age-old battle between manual and automatic transmissions. For years, manual transmissions were hailed as the champions of fuel efficiency. And while that was true in the past, technology has caught up, my friends. Modern automatic transmissions, especially CVTs and dual-clutch systems, are often just as fuel efficient, if not more so, than their manual counterparts. This one's a classic. We've all heard it a million times. Change your oil every 3,000 miles or your engine will suffer a slow and painful death. Well, I'm here to tell you that's simply not true anymore. Engine technology and oil formulations have come a long way, baby. Most modern cars can go 5,000, even 10,000 miles between oil changes. Don't just take my word for it, check your owner's manual for the recommended interval. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that bigger cars equal safer cars. After all, a massive SUV or truck just looks more imposing, right? But here's the truth. While size and mass do play a role in collisions, crash safety is far more nuanced than that. It's about the design of the vehicle, the airbags, the crumple zones. All these factors work together. You can find small cars with top-notch crash test ratings that are far safer than some larger vehicles with poor designs. Let's address this one head-on. Red cars do not magically attract speeding tickets, it's a myth, plain and simple. Police officers don't target cars based on color, they target drivers who are breaking the law, so if you're driving a red car and you get pulled over for speeding, it's not because of the car's paint job, it's because you were speeding. Here's a quick tire pressure lesson. That PSI number you see stamped on your tire's sidewall? That's the maximum pressure the tire can handle, not necessarily the recommended pressure for your specific vehicle. Overinflating your tires can lead to a harsh ride and uneven wear. For the optimal tire pressure for your car, check your owner's manual or the sticker usually located on the driver's side door jamb. It's a hot summer day and you're cruising down the highway. You're faced with a dilemma. Crank up the AC or roll down the windows. Conventional wisdom might tell you that rolling down the windows is the more fuel-efficient choice. But here's the catch. At higher speeds, open windows create aerodynamic drag, which can actually reduce your fuel efficiency more than using the air conditioning. For years, we've been warned about the supposed dangers of using our cell phones at gas stations. The idea being that a stray signal could ignite the fumes and cause a massive explosion. Well, rest assured, this is a myth. There's no scientific evidence to support it. Gas station fires are typically caused by static electricity, not cell phones. Electric cars have come a long way, baby. Gone are the days of limited range and range anxiety. Modern EVs boast impressive ranges, often exceeding 300 miles on a single charge. And with the rapid expansion of fast-charging networks, taking an electric car on a road trip is becoming increasingly viable. So there you have it, 10 car myths debunked. Hopefully we've shed some light on these persistent automotive misconceptions and given you a few things to think about. Remember, when it comes to your car, it's always best to rely on facts and information from reputable sources like your car's owner's manual rather than outdated beliefs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Drive safe.